Most money problems don't happen overnight. They build up from small, common mistakes that almost everyone makes. So, in this video, I'll show you how to avoid the most common money mistakes. And what to do instead. The first mistake is not tracking your spending. When you don't know where your money goes, you can't control it. Even small daily purchases add up over time. Start by writing down every expense for at least 30 days. Second, living without a budget. A budget isn't restriction, it's direction. Without one, money disappears. Create a simple plan that covers essentials first, then savings, then lifestyle spending. Another common mistake is ignoring emergency savings. Unexpected expenses will happen. That's not a question of if, but when. Even a small emergency fund creates breathing room and prevents debt. Carrying high interest debt for too long is expensive. Interest quietly compounds and grows. Focus on paying off the highest interest balances first while making minimum payments on the rest. When income increases, many people immediately increase spending. That's lifestyle inflation. Instead, when you earn more, increase your savings rate first. Upgrade your future before upgrading your lifestyle. Without clear financial goals, it's hard to stay disciplined. Define specific goals, like building savings, paying off debt, or investing regularly. Clear targets create motivation. Avoiding money mistakes isn't about being perfect. It's about awareness and consistent small improvements. Track your money, plan intentionally, and adjust when needed. If you fix just one of these mistakes this month, you'll already be ahead. Start today. Your future self will thank you.